10 secret reasons romantic long distance relationships will fail. Many would argue or even try to convince that love is everything in this world, and no matter what the situation is, relationships are going to last. For many, it could be true, but for most, it would not be. So, in this video, we would learn about the 10 secret reasons long distance relationships will fail. Hi, I am Blaze Goldburst, author of Reversed Order Existence. If you have not read the book already, now is the time. Link is in the description below. Before we start the secrets, let us know about Lord's ordinary children.
In her earliest memories, community was serene, solitary was noise. An unconventional meeting between four youths and an elderly couple leads them to a fabulous bonding through a story house. They feel it as a life-changing and life-enhancing experience. In the fast-changing world of ours, Lord's ordinary children teaches us how to bring relationships together.
So, let us know the secrets. Secret number 1: miscommunication. For any relationship to survive, communication is a vital necessity. What if that communication turns into a disaster? Let me show you how. If you love them but they live far apart, maybe you like each other and have great feelings for each other, but the only form of communication in this digital world is a smartphone or any social media. You text all the time and see things are running smoothly, but when you express your opinion about something and the other person misunderstands it, because it is true, we cannot decode someone's tone or expression properly through text messaging, and so there ensues a conflict because of the reason of miscommunication. When the problem arises, it deepens, and so now you can realize what must have taken place because of miscommunication. Relationships break because of miscommunication, and when communication gets cut off, you can do nothing but see things drifting. Secret number 2: lack of trust, suspicions. What is the other person up to? What are they doing in the morning? At night? Are they alone? Who are they meeting and spending time with? Do they think about you? How many people are they talking to? Am I the only one who they think about? Such questions will leave you confused. And that's where follows the lack of trust, be it friendship or relationship. It will come to an end. You don't know what they are hiding from you and what they want to show you. Secret number 3: value of time or space. Do they value your time, give you too much time or too little? Do they find time for you or do they make you run after them to fit in their schedule? Watch their motives carefully. Being excessively clingy, not giving space or giving too much space, and ignoring you, both of this is unhealthy and toxic. Relationships should give value to each other's needs, space, time and growth. If it doesn't, it's time you should sit, talk and solve all the problems before it is too late. Secret number 4: distance or distant. Distance for a prolonged period will grow you distant. Some people may have patience to wait for somebody for months or sometimes for years, but generally people get tired or fed up or give up easily and search for an easier and convenient relationship which they may find locally. Somebody's heart will severely break in this process because the other person may leave when they get another convenient option. Secret number 5: secrets. Beware. The person may not be the person they show themselves before you. Humans can be liars. They tell you whatever they feel is convenient for them and for the situation they live in. There are several things going on in the mind of a human, and even if you spend your entire life finding things out, you would still fail to know everything, or maybe only survive to know very little, since you are too far and can barely cover the distance to bear their secrets. And if you ever try to unlock the secrets, and for sure you know that They keep suspicious looking secrets from you, and they come to know that you are on the quest to unlock or decode. The relationship ends there. Secret number 6, storytelling or victim mindset. They couldn't even respect their parents, relationships, friends, co-workers, and how bad the world has been to them and spoke against them before you, typically all the time. If they can speak against their blood relations, then who are you? Why wouldn't they speak against you before someone else? You are just nobody, right? So, beware of these pseudo storytellers and always verify the facts. To know their true intentions, always give them surprises like a plan to visit as soon as possible or bring in some situation where their past is bared. Do not trust this victim mentality and always be with people who take responsibility for every situation, because a healthy mindset deserves utmost importance. Secret number 7, blocking on social media. Manipulative and toxic people do it frequently. They have a great intention to make you feel worse and make you believe that you have wronged them. It's the practice of every sick and toxic mindset, because they are cowards who run away from situations rather than face it. So, if someone intently does it to you, keep calm and please learn to ignore them. And if you don't ignore them at that moment, they would get all the power and satisfaction in the world that they defeated your self-esteem. These people never mature and ruin the peace in the lives of all people they come across. Secret number 8, running after people, the chaser. The moment you become the chaser, your self-respect is over and you are taken for granted, be it friendship or relationship. Every relationship should be a two-way thing, not the one way, where you chase and the person lets you chase all the time. Look carefully. Is the person you are chasing worth your time? Are you really happy? Do they value you? Start questioning the situation and you will definitely find the answers. And always be with people who value you and not get you exhausted. Secret number 9, respect. Whether you are in a relationship or you are considering being with someone, look for signs of respect. Do they really respect your feelings? Are they polite? Do they respect their family? Are they into gossiping, bullying and trolling? Do they waste their significant amount of time in talking trash about others? How do they behave with people in general? Are they jealous of people who are doing well in their lives? Do they make fun of others? How do they behave with you in the private and in the public? Do they encourage you, motivate you to do well in your life? Or are they the opposite? And most importantly, do they respect themselves? Ask yourself all these questions.
Here the relationship could be long or short distance, doesn't matter.
Secret number 10, fluctuating minds. These confused individuals believe things never work and could never work. They are always looking for ways to end a relationship and never search for the ways to mend one. Their minds are always fluctuating and they feel distance would bring instability in their relationship. So they choose the easier path to end it. So, my dear friends, be careful of this kind of person. Anything can change them, your partner away for months, and in that case, support them and be with them. But instead, you decided to end it because distance made them distant. That's not a wise decision at all. So, now we knew about the secret reasons. Order your copy of Lord's Ordinary Children by Gita Shripani and Reversed Ordered Existence by Blaise Goldbust from the link in the description below. Also, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with everyone.